Are you tired of your oven being a drama queen, taking forever to cook your meals while your cravings simmer away in frustration? Enter the air fryer, the culinary gadget that promises crispy fries without the guilt and tender chicken without the grease. In this video, we're diving into the best air fryers on the market that make cooking as easy as fried dough. Buckle up, fellow foodies, because your kitchen game is about to be revolutionized. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. COSORI TurboBlaze, our pick for best budget air fryer. If you're on the hunt for an air fryer that doesn't just perform but also plays nicely with your wallet, let me introduce you to the COSORI TurboBlaze. With its generous 6-quart capacity, it's your new bestie for everything from solo snack sessions to hosting the next big dinner party. We know you want that perfect crunch, whether it's for crispy fries or your mom's secret recipe chicken. And fear not, it has nifty functions, tailored to frozen foods and even a proofing option. Yes, you can whip up artisan-level sourdough and pizza crusts right in your own kitchen. Prepare for guests to be very impressed. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Cleanup. The TurboBlaze earns major brownie points here because both the basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe. That means less time with a sponge and more time with a fork, digging into your latest culinary masterpiece. Keep in mind that while the TurboBlaze is a standout, it might struggle a bit with achieving that ultra-crisp on salmon skin. But with its precise cooking and a smorgasbord of settings, it's a delightful companion for anyone who loves to whip up tasty dishes. Measuring 11.8 by 11.8 by 11.9 inches and packing a punch with 1,725 watts, this little powerhouse is ready to transform your kitchen escapades. So roll up your sleeves, grab your apron, and let's make some mouth-watering memories. Number 4. Ninja Pro AF141. Our pick for best small air fryer. Meet the Ninja Pro AF141, the small air fryer that's about to become your kitchen's new best friend. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little powerhouse boasts a basket with more cooking surface than most 5-quart models you'll find. Think of it as the TARDIS of air fryers. Small on the outside, big on the inside. So go ahead, spread out those sweet potato fries and chicken wings. Now, we're all about even cooking, but let's be real. Sometimes this Ninja doesn't quite nail it like the overachievers in the lineup. Sure, you might end up with a few sneaky undercooked bits lurking in the corner, but rest assured, it'll get your food crispy and delicious overall. The real star here? Its turbocharged preheating and quick cooking capabilities. Need a snack in a flash? This nifty gadget gets back to the right temp faster than you can say what's for dinner. Plus, it maintains a stable temperature throughout the culinary adventure. With features like temperature control, a timer, automatic shutoff, and programmability, you'll feel like a pro chef without all the hassle. So if you're ready to elevate your snacking game, the Ninja Pro AF141 is here to help you whip up delightful, crispy treats with minimal fuss. Get ready to air fry your way to happiness. Still searching for the perfect air fryer? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Cuisinart TOA-70, our pick for best air fryer toaster oven. If you're on the hunt for a kitchen sidekick that takes your culinary game to new heights, meet your new BFF, the Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven. This gadget isn't just a pretty face, it's a multitasking marvel that air fries, toasts, bakes, and even whips up convection goodness, all while championing your quest for healthier meals. Picture this, crispy, mouth-watering treats that are guilt-free since you've cut down on that pesky oil. One of the best parts? You can toast bread to perfection, transforming your slices into golden masterpieces that would make any brunch jealous. And here's a pro tip. When you're air frying, drop that temperature a notch and keep an eye on your food to avoid those "oops, I burnt it" moments. With a spacious air fry rack measuring a whopping 15.5 by 16 inches, you'll no longer have to juggle multiple batches of your favorite snacks. Plus, the cleanup is a breeze thanks to the handy drip crumb tray. More time for you to savor your delicious creations. With a sleek stainless steel design that won't clash with your kitchen aesthetic, and a compact size of 12.25 by 15.75 by 13.75 inches, it packs a generous 0.6 cubic feet of cooking capacity. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a culinary wizard, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is destined to become your beloved kitchen companion. Happy cooking! Number 2. Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart, our pick for best dual basket air fryer. If you're all in on the air fryer craze, let me introduce you to your kitchen's new best friend, the Ninja Foodi, with its snazzy dual 4-quart baskets. Picture this: you're whipping up succulent chicken breasts while crispy French fries dance away in the other basket, at the same time, mind you. Thanks to the Smart Finish feature, you can conquer different cooking times and temperatures without breaking a sweat. And if you're in the mood for a more communal feast, the Match Cook setting has your back. Cook larger amounts of the same dish, or tackle a variety of mouth-watering treats simultaneously, all at the same temperature and time. Perfect for those family dinners that require a culinary juggling act. But wait, there's more! The Ninja Foodi isn't just about air frying. It's a culinary chameleon with options to dehydrate, broil, bake, and roast. Whether you're whipping up healthy snacks or hearty meals, this dynamo can do it all. With dimensions of 13.86 by 15.63 by 12.4 inches and a generous 8-quart capacity, it'll fit snugly on your countertop, proving that size does matter when it comes to cooking up a storm. So, level up your kitchen game with the Ninja Foodi and dive into deliciousness like never before. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Instant Vortex Plus, our pick for best air fryer overall. The Instant Vortex Plus is your new kitchen sidekick with a fabulous 6-in-1 functionality that lets you air, fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat like a pro. Imagine turning your kitchen into a culinary playground where crispy golden fries and mouth-watering roasted veggies are just a button away. Thanks to the magic of Even Crisp technology, you won't just get results. You'll get the kind of crispy, tender perfection that has your taste buds singing and your friends begging for the recipe. The one-touch smart programs take the guesswork out of meal prep, letting you whip up wings, garlicky potatoes, or gooey cookies quicker than you can say hungry. Say goodbye to long preheating times. With the Instant Vortex Plus, you can go from frozen to fabulous in a flash, with temperatures ranging from a cozy 95 to a sizzling 400-degree Fahrenheit. Cleanup's a breeze too. With a non-stick air fry basket that's dishwasher safe, you'll be spending less time scrubbing and more time savoring scrumptious meals. Compact yet stylish, this contraption fits perfectly on your countertop, while adding a dash of sophistication with its stainless steel accents. And if you're in the mood for adventure, dive into the Instant Brands Connect app for a treasure trove of mouth-watering recipes. With built-in safety features for peace of mind, this kitchen essential is ready to transform the way you cook for you and your family. Get ready to serve up deliciousness for 4 to 6 people with ease. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best air fryers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which air fryer you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.